In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a Klaviyo dynamic abandoned cart email in just 5 minutes. Setting up an effective abandoned cart flow is crucial to enhancing your e-commerce business's conversion rates. With strategic timing, compelling messaging, and personalized automation, you can reach out to customers who abandoned their carts and inspire them to complete their purchases. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to achieve this. First, we need to create a new abandoned cart flow. Begin by logging into your Klaviyo account. Once you are in, head to the Flows tab. This is where you can orchestrate the sequence of automated emails that will reach out to your customers. In the Flows tab, use the search function to look for abandoned cart flow. Here you have the option to either select a pre-built template that Klaviyo provides or start from scratch, if you prefer to have more control over customization. Next, let's set up the trigger for this flow. It's crucial that the emails are triggered by the right actions at the right time. For this purpose, choose Started Checkout as your trigger. This means that the sequence will activate whenever a customer begins, but does not complete, the checkout process. It's effective to set the trigger delay to about 30 to 60 minutes after abandonment. This time frame helps keep your brand fresh in the customer's mind without coming off as intrusive. Now, we move on to building the email sequence itself. The sequence typically begins with a reminder email, which is sent 60 minutes after cart abandonment. For the subject line, something like, "It looks like you left something behind," tends to resonate well. In the body of the email, remind them of the items they were interested in. If possible, sweeten the deal by offering free shipping. The second email in the sequence is all about providing an incentive, sent out 12 to 24 hours later. A fitting subject line could be, "Your cart is about to expire." This email aims to create a sense of urgency. You might include text like, "Offer expires in 24 hours. This kind of messaging can effectively prompt the customer to take action. For added impact and relevance, here are some bonus tips for success in 2025. Consider integrating AI-powered product recommendations to suggest related or complementary items. Using dynamic content blocks can allow you to adjust the message based on cart value or the type of products left behind. To engage the customer even more, think about adding a gamification element, such as a spin the wheel discount in your incentive email. Finally, leverage hyper-personalization, using customer data to tailor your emails, for instance, addressing the customer by name, or mentioning specific products they left in their cart. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to creating a powerful, dynamic, abandoned cart email flow that optimizes conversion and enhances customer engagement with your brand.